Oh, hello there, and welcome to She Died's first video take ever.
You know, this isn't a joke.
This shit's for real. Follow us on Twiddle.
I learned about you on the internet.
Take the Twiddle. You get in the Twiddle.
Let the fucking get started, you rocked and roll.
Don't let it look like that. How could you did this? How?
One thing people don't know about She Died Productions, we come to win. People don't understand that.
Got these guys downtown, eh? No, it wasn't us. We just came for the summer sausage. Oh, I know what's going on here. You don't look at it for two reasons and not. No, it's with the slushy. The slushy. From last year? I fucking doubt that. I doubt that. You're on the clock right now, so get it over with.